Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can control lights on your JBL Partybox 110. Okay, so we can simply power on and power off these lights by using this button. So when I'm going to click on it right now, just take a look. Lights are turned on. To turn them off, just click on this button. And as you can see, they disappear. To control light effects, you have to simply turn them on and just move this button. Take a look. There is few different light presets that you can set up. All you have to do, just use this slide button. That's how you can control lights on the JBL Partybox 110. And if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.